So update today, I think we're day 32 or 34. We're body worked, primered. We got some other minor things to do on here. This is a 1964 Volkswagen Beetle that we're turning into a rally build. I've already painted the inside. So the outside is getting the body work done. We have a blow-up booth that we're gonna paint this on. These fenders are literally jacked, so you can see on here. So we're not gonna make them perfect. There's gonna be some rally build stickers on them. Again, we're gonna take this thing all over the desert. We're gonna take it to SEMA. We're gonna take it to MP's open house. Let's get it done. So this is the 1964 Volkswagen Beetle that we're building in 90 days. We're day 30. We've got all the body work done. That gives us less than 60 days to assemble this thing after it gets painted in the next 2 days. So it's gonna have to sit for a little bit too to let it cure, but let's get it done. My name's Chris. This is Driven 60 VW, or as you guys know me as Driven VW. This is the rally build. Give us a follow.